What is up everyone, SNF here. Today I am going to show you all of my fidget spinners from the last 2 months. So I have a green one, red and black, a glittery orange and silver, and a blue one which looks super cool. And I'm gonna unbox one that I just bought at the 99-cent store. Okay, so start with the green one. Looks pretty good. I found this one on the side of the road. Look, it stops really fast. It's pretty cool. Okay, let's move on to the red. It makes a noise. This one spins better because we got this one at the store. Dang it. If I could spin it fast. There we go. Listen to that. It looks super awesome. Sorry guys, my camera just it crashed. I don't know what happened. It just paused for a moment, so I'm sorry if you had to experience the awkward moment of silence. But I promise you it's worth it. Okay, I'm gonna spin it on my table. There we go. Look at this, it's so shiny. It looks like there's 2 of them. Look. Does it look like there's 2 of them? Does that not look like 2 of them? Wow, it is so shiny. That will blind you. No, it won't, but it has glitter inside of it. If y'all can see. It is clear with glitter. Silver. You can see through it. Next is blue, right over there. This one's a little shaky. Look at this. It's shiny as well. It don't have that illusion that looks like there's 2 of them, like the orange one right here. It's still cool. And look at the spikes on it. And the silver. I think the bearing is on the outside, so it has like that centrifugal force that makes it spin faster. I'm actually trying to spin it on my face. So I'll make it spin faster. Anyway, it's super cool. Listen to that noise. Okay, now we're going to unbox my brand new red one. So let's unbox it. It's a tripod edition. I don't know what that is. Whoa, it just fell on the floor. I'm sorry. Okay, here it is. It is so tiny. Oh, it's the same size. Okay, look at the shape of it. Is so shiny. Wow, it's red just like this. Look how tiny it is. Okay, I'm gonna spin it now. Oh wow, never tried it out. It's shiny as well. Listen to that. It's so awesome. It's awesome. See how long it can spin for. Camera glitched out again. Sorry. We're not gonna do that. Okay, so I have 5 spinners. I got that one first on the side of the road. That one at a store. As same as the red. Same as these 3, and same as the 4. So I got these 4, not the green one. These 4 at a store. That rhymes. The 4 at the store. Yeah, I know that's so cheesy. Anyway, guys, that is all I have for today. If you saw my Toy Chica video, my dog stepped on her. All I have is her arm. She used to be right there next to Igniting Golden Freddy. I still have that one. Good thing didn't knock over Mangle. He is so stupid. So mad. I got over that. Maybe I'll make another one. Anyway, guys, that's all I have for today. Please like and subscribe. I did not forget about Withered Freddy. If I get to 70 subscribers, I will show him. Guys, see you guys in the next video. SNF out.